mamutag mga bay. Karon na kami diri sa Tagaytay. Where are you going? Where are you going? Ikaw mo na ako si EJ. Sige. So na kami diri sa Tagaytay. Niyani kami diri para magtanaw sa SEA Games kay among friend na si Margie mo appeal siya. So karon in 30 minutes yung finals game of skate. So duha ka Filipina ang kontra karon kay sila nagdaog sa uban na countries, uban na nasod. So mutanaw mi sa iya. Na diri si Ma'am Zoe. Kay nindot kayo among view.
Hello. I'm just enjoying the view.
The view, wow, very nice. Dito ang Taal volcano. That's not Taal, pero over there Taal. Ayos. Sige, so before masugod ang skate, tara. Sige, so na kami diri sa bago na skate park. They just barely built the skate park for the SEA Games. That's where we're staying. Yeah, buddy. Like mga 5 minutes ang lakaw lang. Diba?
Super close.
Super sick.
Yeah, sick.
Swerte mga tao Tagaytay kay na sila bago na skate park. Maning pinaganindot sa tibok na Pinas. Alright, so I didn't really explain this that well earlier, but the game of skate has been going on for the last couple days, and the final contestants are both representing the Philippines. They beat out the other countries. So it's Margielyn Didal versus Christiana, she's from LA, but she's representing the Philippines. She's half Filipina. And that's what we're watching today.
Bronze right now happening for bronze. Next round, Philippines versus Philippines for silver and gold.
Yeah, you heard it here first, baby. Let's get it.
We're going to start with coin toss on who's going to go first. Both skaters are from the Philippines. So Margielyn Didal goes first. And we'll have offense. Marg started out with a kickflip. First letter for Christiana. It's the front side as well. Christiana makes it. Holding north. Yep. A proper 360 flip. Standing now is S for Christiana and no is good for Margie. Nollie flip by Margielyn Didal. Christiana makes it. Bacon flip. And the second letter for Christiana. Both girls agree for that gold. That's going to be the third letter for Christiana Nicole. Offense is still in favor of Margielyn Didal.
What the heck was that?
So that's pretzel by Margielyn Didal. Christiana almost had it. I didn't make it. That's going to be the fourth letter for Christiana. Still in the offense in favor of Margielyn Didal. Sets change. But Margielyn Didal. Christiana shaking her head.
She's teaching her how.
Front side. Front side. Christiana will have one more try. For the pretzel. And that's the letter E for Christiana means. And that means Margie just won the gold medal. And Christiana will win silver. For this round again, ladies and gentlemen, here's your winners for this round. Margielyn Didal, for the gold medal. And Christiana means for the silver for the 30th Southeast Asian Games Game of Skate.
You nervous?
I was so nervous I had to leave for a
Now,
minute.
since we have
Oh, we're good. We're good.
Game of Skate for
Ayaw, so ang Pilipinas nagdawag og duha ka gold medal sa skateboarding. Yung lalaki di ay, yung winner sa lalaki, isa di ay na. Taga Cebu, Moalboal daw. Yeah. Bisayang! Let's go!
Napakita ng mga videos na tanaw yan.
I was the one who showed him your video.
bro.
I got here, and then he was like, oh,
What's ka pangalan mo? La?
Daniel.
Ah, Daniel na?
You wanna make a vlog with him?
Yeah, for sure.
He just took me up and then, hey, did you know this? And I'm like, no, but
Karoon pa lang?
how is this? Yeah.
Sick. Dili ka na ako sa Pinas or German?
Both, sige,
Balik-balik?
balik.
Ah, ayos. Muna siyang gold medalist, taga Moalboal. Bisaya pa ka?
Oh, Bisayang, taga Cebu.
Mga taga Cebu, na? Cebu.
Oh, Cebu.
Sayang wala ko nag-video sa winner sa lalaki, si Daniel tungod. Adto ko madakpan. Pero ang uban, sige nag-shooting, so nag-shoot ko unta. Uy!
Margie's family want to see you.
Where are they? Kumusta? Okay ra, ayos. Kumusta? Bye.
Zoe.
Switch it.
We met, yeah.
Nakailan sila?
But I haven't met.
Ah,
Basta ba?
okay na ba ikaw? Ayos. Ano palo? Ano yung mga ginikanan ni Margie? Ikaw ang papa ni Margie?
Yes.
Karoon pa lang may nakaila, pero kami, sa biyagi pa. Yes. Congrats, ha?
Thank you.
Go, EJ! Woo! Hey, whoa!
Alimaon, galit na. Alimaon, kaayo. Again.
And the winner of silver medal from the Philippines, Christiana Didal. In first place, and the winner of the gold medal from the Philippines, Margielyn Didal. The medal to be awarded by Congressman Filipino Olympic Committee, President and Congressman, 8th District, Province of Cavite.
Let's go!
Oh, sorry.
Hard work pays off. Who was the bulalo?
again.
Lalo, again, every day. Congratulations. Bronze medal. Philippines, Daniel Ledermann. This medal is presented by POC President, Congressman Abraham Filipino.
Alright, we finished up the game of skate diri sa Tagaytay. Duha ka Bisayang nagdaog, represent, baby. Yeah. My man, EJ,
We are one.
the spokesman. We win as one.
Win as one.
Yes, sir. Mom Joey came in clutch with grabbing the lenses I needed.
I'm a great assistant director,
Yes.
producer,
High five.
Oh,
personal assistant.
yes.
Assistant director.
So we're still here for a few more days. Tomorrow is some preliminary for street skating. So we're gonna watch Margie do that. And then the next day is the finals, which is the big stuff. So far, Philippines has won 2 gold medals here in skating. And some random guy said if we win all the next 6 or something like that, then they're gonna get a whole lot of skate parks here in the Philippines.
Whoa.
Because, yeah.
That's a big deal.
Not really, because, yeah, support. And skating is gonna blow up here sa Pilipinas. Ayos. So that's the goal. And we're gonna make it happen because Philippines is killing it. Alright, sige. So moro siyang vlog karon. Unta nalinga mo.
Are we finished? So, salamat sa pagtanaw og ang pimo tanan.
Maganda besh, maganda bay, maganda.
Ayos.
Naiiwan